So to do our half double crochet, we're going to yarn over from back to front, insert our hook under the top 2 loops of our next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. So again, we're going to yarn over, insert our hook under our next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, point your hook down to get through those stitches nice and easy, or those loops, and go through all 3. So fast or normal speed is how it's going to look. But again, remember, always yarn over for your half double crochet, insert your hook into the next stitch under both of the top loops, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3. So that is the super fast half double crochet refresher. If you need to actually learn the stitch at a much slower pace, check out my half double crochet for beginners videos, and thank you for watching.